Did you know police in Miami discovered two 9-year-old twin girls living completely alone in a $3 million penthouse? Their names were Sofia and Valentina Herrera, and the shocking part is they had been there for 14 months without anyone noticing. Neighbors swore the millionaire parents still lived with them, but the truth was the twins were all by themselves. The mystery started to unravel in January 2024 when an Uber Eats driver grew suspicious. Every day the same girl answered the door orders, over $200 always paid in cash, no adults ever seen. The driver finally called the police. When officers entered the penthouse on Brinkle Avenue, they were stunned. The twins were healthy, the fridge full, bills paid, but their parents have been missing since November 2022. Inside the closet, police found 47 envelopes, each one with $5,000 passwords and instructions for the girls. The final envelope said December 2024, now you can ask for help. When questioned, they only gave one chilling answer. Mom and Dad told us they were here, so we believed them. To this day, their parents remain missing.
markii dabeecadda la dayacay oo huduudda kaynta la jabiyay colaad lama filaan ah ayaa dhalatay.
Motuga gaajaysan wuxuu ku nool yahay guri baraf ah si uu uga fogaado kulaylka, laakiin kulaylka dartiis ayuu isna u dhalaalaa. Hadda motu wuxuu u ordayaa dibiga agtiisa, wuu garaaca oo eryanaya. Dibigii isagoo ooyaya ayuu magaalada yimid, halkaas oo uu ku arkay gaari xamuul ah oo liinka buuxo. Dibigii wuxuu gaarigii xamuulka ahaa u keenay motu. Motu wuxuu cabbaa dhammaan biyaha liinta, hase yeeshee kulaylkii motu ma yaraanin. Markaas ayuu dibigii xanaaqay oo motu cirka ku tuuray. Motu wuxuu ku dhacay baraf cirka ku yaal, kulaylkiisiina wuu ka degay, laakiin dibigii wuu bilaabay inuu ooyo sababtoo ah qof.
Sorry to interrupt. I understand we're discussing a civil war.
The Commonwealth are gonna kill us all.
Unless I can stop it.
What do we always say? Most kids are dead by this age.
I'm looking for someone.
What do you plan to do to him when you find him?
What say you, Miss McLean?
Your family may very well still be out there. But one thing I wouldn't count on is them appreciating the kind of person you've become.
There are worse people out there than me.
But you know what they say in Vegas? Everyone's a winner. Eventually.
The saying goes for losing in my experience. Except for one man.
Mr. Howard, I know that you came to Vegas to kill me. Did you not? I don't know yet how you play a part in ending the world, but you certainly do.
If you don't help us, there won't be a Vault 33 anymore.
Dad, if you can hear me, what's gonna happen to our vault?
My little sugar bomb.